Hi, are you a doctor or an engineer or a non-IT student and person you want to learn front-end web development? It doesn't matter for me who you are. So, if you want to learn front-end web development, so you click on the right video of the right channel which is called Conformer Tech. And this course will take you from zero to hero. And first thing is first, I'll introduce myself. My name is Mohammed Shahid Shah. I am a Google, Microsoft and Meta certified. Now, I am going to teach front-end web development course in a very efficient way and in a very easy way from scratch to advanced. So, I am ensure you that after taking this front-end developer course, you will able to kickstart your development journey. So in this engaging course, you will learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap, and in advance you will learn TailwindCss. HTML for building the structure of the website, CSS cascading style sheet for adding the design and giving the style to website, and JavaScript for making your website interactive, Bootstrap for giving the responsiveness to website, and Tailwind CSS. It's a secret. Don't worry, you will learn all above skills in this series on Conformer Tech channel.